On this week's Inside Insight, we want to introduce you to the latest innovation from LG. Give the glass panel a knock-knock, and what's there? An InstaView into the refrigerator, allowing you to see inside without letting the cold air out. Grazing for food just got a whole lot cooler. No, literally, reducing cold air loss keeps your food fresher for longer. The beautiful design brings an awesome look to your kitchen and gives you tons of space. The storage capacity is flexible with convenient organization for your family's favorite foods and drinks. That's this week's Inside Insight. Now come in and try this thing out for yourself at DeWaard and Bode and find President's Day savings happening now.